It's AKAJK and today we have another vlog on the channel. This is Pradium. Adib's having a go at him for because he keeps saying people in the sentences, like you people. So yeah, that's pretty much what's going on. Don't get what he's watching right now. And we're probably going to play some Fortnite, you know, do the cringe stuff that you're supposed to do until they let us get like the laptops and stuff, and then we can like revise. Because later we have the scavengers hunt. I mean, it's pretty much like a treasure hunt where they give you like kind of things to like look for.
And they're random teams. You don't get to choose who you're with.
Yeah, like they mix you up with other schools. There's like 4,000 people. Are the seniors doing it?
Yeah, but not with us. No, they're not doing it today. They're doing it tomorrow.
Well, there's like 2,000 juniors,
no,
2,000
there's like
2,000
3,000, 1,000.
Okay, fine. I mean, honestly, choose whatever you want. We're in the event right now. Adib thinks we're not going to get copyright. I think we're going to get copyright. Adib's on Instagram. He has Yusuf there. Yusuf's under some form of house arrest. He's not allowed to like go anywhere. Do you remember what happened yesterday? Go check what happened yesterday. Shooter explained yesterday completely. Yusuf got pretty screwed. So yeah, go check out yesterday's vlog to find out. And yes, subscribe, like, notifications, stay notified every day when I upload those videos. And yeah, stay legit.
It is true, we are a non-violent program, and there are potentially sometimes some moments of non-violence, and some members of the team aren't always as non-violent as we'd like to be. In fact, if you've ever felt the urge to punch a scholar in the face for poking at your cheekbones with a little too much haste, just take a breath and sit back down and stay within your place. And remember that we're non-violent. And if you've ever gotten irritated cause a scholar goes, you look just like Deadpool, except your skin still grows. Don't forget your shiny head is something that you chose. And remember that we're non-violent. Now scholars, you pop that perfect cheese and then don't stop. You cover it in tomato sauce. You hate tomatoes too? You're lost. It is the culmination of a culinary notion. The perfect food across every land and ocean. Daniel, you gotta get your head straight. Your argument trying to find soggy and wet, then you can't get upset if it tastes like a cement grate. What do you mean a culinary culmination? It's the product of years of cultural appropriation. I'm sorry, Canada, I know you're trying to play, but you want better trade deals. Don't attack our taste buds. Appropriate this, appropriate that, your mama. You guys, whoa. Can I say something here? Who cares? We guys, this is the global round. And welcome the scholars of Oman.
Okay, so we just had lunch. I mean, my verdict on lunch was pretty crap. I think Adib really enjoyed lunch. We went on a small place. It They're like this tiny. Oh, so you got an inside effect. They're hilarious.
They will still be
And Yusuf lost his phone, so they're going to look for it. Yusuf has a habit of getting into bad situations. So yeah. So now we're going for the scholar scavenge. It's like the scam thing because they see they do it anyway. So they put the scholar scavenge and not like a treasure hunt kind of thing. Where they mix with other schools, you know, socialize. So yeah, we're going to find out who the team is right now.
At least one.
I really hope they do. So for this time, we got like the high up seats. So this is the view. Yeah, I mean, I'd probably say for the ones that are lower. Like, I mean, it's decent, neat kind of thing. Yo, we're vlogging in a water park.
Hey, yo guys, warm up.
So yeah, what's the water park called?
Sunway Lagoon, Kuala Lumpur.
Yeah, okay, that one. And we're chilling here.
Through my shot board.
Why are you recording?
Guys, I give to you the part of the century, 2 iron bars stuck together with an engine attached onto.
Yeah, that's honestly that's pretty much what this is.
Yeah, and four inflatable rubber balls.
Just take a look at it. How well made it is. Definitely made
It's
by.
probably not gonna fall apart on the first corner.
Definitely made by a greaser. You know, we're chilling in the cashier.
Yeah, same size. Yeah.
So they're good?
Yeah.
Wait, does this red bit come off? Because they're actually pretty cool.
Well, let's see. Wait, guys.
No,
Let me
don't
know
take a picture.
if tutor looks legit
No.
or not.
Nah, dude,
No,
they're
it's
really
just
cool,
for the
though.
vlog, you know.
They're really nice. They're really nice though.
How much do they cost?
How much?
Pretty legit.
See, that's the problem.
Right, so my boy Yusuf here is going to try this Asian drink that he's never tried before, called 100 Plus. So if any of you out there know what 100 Plus tastes like, let me know recommendations in the comments down below. Out of 10.
Super good. Original flavor is the best.
Okay, let's go. Tutor recommended it to him.
Tastes like water.
Keep drinking. You have no respect for 100 Plus, man.
It's like a new flavor. It tastes like lemon, but it's not. It tastes like lemon, but it's not. Whoa, 100 Plus. Buy it now in Asia. In Asia, right? And you have Coke. Not sponsored, by the way. Yeah, and you can also buy
Okay, stop. That's getting crazy now. Look at the grind. Look at the grind. Trying to get the loot as fast as he can.
oh, snap.
He's finding it hard with that one. His deck's like full.
You got the wrong guy.
And then your boy asked me. Honestly, he's so fast. Oh my G. These are rabbits, as everyone knows. And Tutor's favorite guinea pigs.
Yay! Oh no, they ran from me. Hey, don't run, boy. No, talk to me.
And you.
Like sights.
Oh, couple.
Dude, scam them.
Dude, it tugged him.
He's so desperate.
Give my G a some.
Yeah, that's a good girl.
Dude, stop waving your hand around.
That's a nice mouth. Oh, we are climbing to the top of this really high bridge. So, yeah, feel the hype. Guys, the view on this is immaculate. so legit now. I will. Oh, nice. Kinda cool, you know. Yeah. You guys can go. I'll take you. Guys, it's so amazing. Look at this bridge. It's pretty legit. I like it. Oh. Like honestly, that's quite scary. So if you think, guys, if anyone's thinking of coming to Sunway Lagoon, what do you say? Come or don't?
Come for the bridge. Everything else is a bit trash.
No, but we haven't been to the water ride. Guys,
Yeah, but I have.
should you come?
It's whack.
Okay, should you come to Sunway Lagoon?
No. Exactly. Yeah. Yes.
I love the
It's whack. Just come for the bridge. The bridge.
Guys, if you're into like photography and stuff, hop onto the bridge. Honestly, it's so legit. Like the shots that you can get from this, really amazing. Obviously, you got to be careful. There's going to be lots of shake.
Let's turn back.
It's a pretty wobbly bridge. I want to go to the end.
Just come on. There's a big group.
Yeah, it's wide splitting.
Okay, once we get to the iron rod.
I can't say what you do this way, but you guys